Today's video, I will show you how to make this seed bead bracelet. So, let's start. So, our materials are 11 seed beads. This is a turquoise color. And this is a Toho. You can use also Miyuki. And the gold one is 11 Miyuki 11 gold seed beads. You can use same brand and same size, so whatever you have. And we have also lobster clasp, jump ring. This is a C type of jump ring, and also some kind of a ring, we use like this. So we have sono beading thread, or you can use Miyuki beading thread, and beading needle. So let's start. So we will use many beading thread, so I will cut 150. But the first, I will pick 1 gold, 3 turquoise, 1 gold, 3 turquoise, 1 gold, 3 turquoise, 1 gold, 3 turquoise, and this is the combination of our color for today. So we have 4 set of 1 gold and 3 turquoise. So I will put it down and pass it through again from the first seed beads and pass through the needle all over to the beads. So like this, and I will pass the needle to this gold and 3 turquoise. Pull the thread just like this. And the next step is I will pick 1 gold, 3 turquoise, 1 gold, 3 turquoise, 1 gold, 3 turquoise, and 1 gold. So we have 3 set of 11 gold seed beads and 3 turquoise plus 1 11 gold seed beads. So we are exiting from here. You can hold it like this, and I will pass the needle from the opposite side of our working thread, and I will pass to my needle to these 3 turquoise and pull the thread like this, and I will pass the needle until here. So we're exiting here, and I will pass the needle here and to this 11 gold seed beads and 3 turquoise. So like this, and then I will pick again 1 gold, 3 turquoise, 1 gold, 3 turquoise. Oops, this is different. 3 turquoise, 1 gold. Oh, sorry, this is 4. And 3 turquoise and 1. Oh, sorry, this is 4. gold. So we have 1 gold, 3 turquoise, 1 gold, 3 turquoise, 1 gold, and 3 turquoise, and 1 gold, like this. So pull it down. So we are exiting from here. Now we'll pass the needle to these 3 turquoise from the opposite side of our exiting thread and pull the thread like this. So I will pass the needle here to this gold seed beads, 3 turquoise and gold seed beads. And to this 3 turquoise, and I will go to this, I'll go through to this gold and 3 turquoise, like this. So we will make 3 rows of our bracelet. So I will pick 1 gold, 3 turquoise, 1 gold, 3 turquoise, 1 gold, and 3 turquoise, and 1 gold. So we're exiting here, and I will pass the needle from this to these 3 seed beads, turquoise, and I will pass the needle here to this gold seed beads. Okay. So I will pick 1 gold and pass the needle to these 3 seed beads, to this turquoise, and pull the thread like this. Yes. And this time I will pick 1 gold, 3 turquoise, 1 gold, 3 turquoise, and 1 gold. So we have 2 sets of this combination and 1 gold. So we're exiting here. I will pass the needle to this 3 turquoise, and to this gold 1, and to this 3 seed beads. I can do it. Sorry. Like this. So we'll pull the thread. So I will pass the needle to this gold one. And then I will pick gold, 1 gold, and pass the needle to this 3 turquoise, like this. So we have a gold here, and pass the needle to these 3 seed beads, like this. Okay. Then I will pick again 1 gold, 3 turquoise, 1 gold, and 3 turquoise, and 1 gold. So we are exiting from here, and I will pass the needle to this 3 turquoise, gold, and to the next 3 turquoise, like this. Okay. And I will pass the needle here. So I will pass the needle here to this gold and 3 turquoise. And to this gold one and 3 turquoise. So we are going to make from here, here, and here. So I will make it once more again to understand you more and more clearly to make. I will pick 1 gold, 3 turquoise, 1 gold, 3 turquoise, 1 gold, 3 turquoise, and 1 gold. So we have 3 combination here and 1 gold. So we are exiting from this turquoise one, and I will pass the needle from the opposite side of our working thread and pass the needle to these 3 turquoise and pull the thread like this and pass the needle to this gold one and pick 1 gold and pass the needle to these 3 seed beads, and then I will pick 1 gold, 3 seed beads, turquoise, 1 gold, 3 turquoise, so and the 1 gold. So we have 2 combination of this color and 1 gold. So we are exiting from here. Now I'll pass the needle to this three turquoise, gold, and to these 3 turquoise. And the last to this gold one. Like this. So I will pick 1 gold and pass the needle through these 3 beads. Like this. Sorry. This, and I will pick gold, 3 turquoise, gold, 3 turquoise, and gold. Like this. 2 combination of these colors and 1 gold. So we are exiting here. Now I'll pass the needle to these 3 seed beads, turquoise, 3 turquoise, gold, and 3 turquoise. Like this. So like this. And I will go up until here to this gold one. So I will pass the needle here. To these 3 seed beads, gold, 3 turquoise, and to this, and to this gold, 3 turquoise. No, we cannot pass the needle to this gold one. Sorry. So I will make it more unit to reach my 16 centimeter of bracelet. So I'll be back. And so I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 units of 3 rows of our bracelet. And this is, I think, 16.3 centimeter. So I think this is good enough for me, you know. And you can make your bracelet. It depends on your wrist size. And then we will attach our jump ring and rings. This. So, like that. And then the side one, I think this is, oh my god, I think, can I use this? Oh, I can use it. And then attach it. Attach our clasp. Make it some, you know, reform. Oh. Okay, and done. So this is our bracelet for today. I hope you like it. And thank you for watching. Bye.